take video. So these are the fabrics we purchase and we design them. It's a self-designing fabrics. This is Laddu Pan. We have made it handmade. It's very specialized. On the demand, we are here in the exhibition for Women's Mela. Visit our stall for today and experience, self-designing fabrics, outfits, different design, different outfits, nothing similar to what we purchase outside. And do enjoy Banjara Colony. We are at Banjara Colony at Women's Mela. Do visit us, but we are doing from home. Seema. To contact our brand, you can connect with me at 89044 91815.